c'est bon.
Okay. Hello, I am Chlorambo Neosi. I am Cameroonian and I am also a pastor. I live in the East region of Cameroon. I am very happy to join this particular program because I see it as an opportunity to increase my thinking pattern and to also enlarge my vision. I come to realize that this particular program promotes some values which I really appreciate, such as love, resilience, and also humanity protection. And when we talk about humanity protection, we cannot separate it from environment protection. So when I see the values of this particular program, I am very happy. For the past 6 to 5 years I've shared in the ministry as a young religious leader, I've come to realize that my experiences and the challenges I faced helped me to produce and to develop love, perseverance, forgiveness, of course, and also these experiences helped me to develop understanding of my community and also the people living around me. I want to use this opportunity of this particular program to build up communication skills, to build up also community organizing, because these are the reality in which I am. I really want to use this particular opportunity of this particular program to improve in this particular domain. I wish to use this particular training, this particular program to come back and making sure that the knowledge, the tools, and the equipment I would have received, I want to make it profitable to my community. I want to make it profitable to the young people I am leading. I want to make it profitable also to my nation. So I see it as a very major opportunity. I am promising that the knowledge and anything I'm going to receive shall be for sharing, shall be for improving, shall be for also promoting the necessity of understanding how faith is also a part of our daily living. Thank you very much. See you soon, and I am happy to be with you. Thank you very much.